let's complete Math Chapter 24 test. Before we start our test, let's say what we always say before our tests. I am smart. God made me smart. I will do my best, and that is success. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Number 1 says, use this part of a 100 chart to subtract. Count back by tens. What is the difference? Okay, here's our subtraction problem. 64 minus 20 is equal to, well, 64 ends with a 4. So we're going to go to our 4's column. Here we found 64. I'm going to go ahead and circle that so I know that's my starting point. And I'm going to count back 20, which is 2 groups of tens. That means I'm going to jump 2 times towards lesser numbers. Okay, I'm going to start here at 64 and jump back 2 times. 1, 2. Where did you land? Check out your answer options here and find where you landed. Two. What is the difference? 46 minus 5 is equal to, so they have 46 right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 groups of tens and 6 ones. We have them drawn right here for us. But we're going to take away 5 of those ones. Let's cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ones are left? So altogether, counting your tens and ones, what is the amount you count? Circle your answer option. Okay, 3. Let's go to the top. It says, what is the difference? 70 minus 40 is equal to, we'll start right here in your ones. 0 minus 0 is equal to, and then 7 minus 4. You can either use a number line, you can count with your fingers, or put 7 in your head, count down 4 times. Then find your answer option. 70 minus 40 is equal to 4. What is the difference? 38 minus 1. Okay, 38 is 3 groups of tens, 1, 2, 3, and 8 ones. They have them drawn here. We're going to take away 1 of those ones cubes, so cross out just 1 of them. And how many do you still have? Count all together your tens and your ones, and your difference is, circle that option. Number 5. There are 52 birds in the trees. That's an important number, 52. 9 of them fly away. Another important number, 9. About how many birds are left? About means we just need an estimate. We don't need the exact amount. Okay, so we're starting with 52. 9 of them fly away. That's a clue. Is this addition or subtraction if they're flying away? This is subtraction. So we have 52 counting down 9. Okay, so 52, pretty great size number. 9 is not a whole lot. Which one makes the best guess for an estimate? About 4 birds are left? About 10? About 40? Or about 400? Well, think. If you're at 52, you're only subtracting about 9 of them. So find a number that's close to that 52. Okay, let's continue. Here's number 1 down here. It says, use this part of the hundreds chart. Count back by tens. What is the difference? 78 minus 30 is equal to, well, 78 ends with an 8, so we're going to go to that 78 right here, and we're going to circle it. That's our starting point. Minus 30, that's 3 groups of tens. So we're going to jump back 3 times. So let's start here on 78, jump back 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Where did you land? Circle your difference down below. 2. What is the difference? 37 minus 5. Well, 37 is 3 groups of 10s and 7 ones. And we're subtracting 5 of those ones. Let's go ahead and cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ones are left? Together, count the 10s and 1s and find your difference. 3. What is the difference? 80 minus 60. Well, let's start here in our ones column. Do your 0 minus 0 is equal to. Then 8 minus 6 is equal to. And circle the difference down below. 4. What is the difference? 47 minus 2. 47 is 4 groups of 10s, here they are, and 7 ones. We're going to subtract 2 of those ones. Let's cross them out. How many ones are left? Count all together how many 10s, how many ones, and find your difference. You're doing great. Here's the last one. There are 29 blueberries in a bowl. That 29 is an important number. Dad ate 7 blueberries. 7. About how many blueberries are left? Okay, they started with 29 blueberries. So thinking of 29 as your starting point. And because someone ate them, we're going to subtract about 7. So if you imagine 29 and then you subtract about 7 of those, what is a good estimate? About 3 blueberries are left, about 5, about 20, about 200. Remember, you're starting with 29 and you're subtracting about 7. What's a number that's going to be close to that? Make your best guess and circle your answer.